Hi, my name is Tomek. I'm the bicycle guru, bicycle mechanic from Dewsbury. Couple of facts about me as a person, as a mechanic, as a cyclist. My journey started 23 years ago in 1997 when I purchased my first bike after a long period being not active as a cyclist. And then that was the moment when the journey started, because at the same time I decided that I want to fix my bikes and not give them to anybody else. I purchased first tools and I started to learn how to do it. The beginning is never easy, but it was the best way to do it and learn more and more. After a couple of years, I was able to assemble my own bikes and do way more than it was in the beginning. And after a while, some people asked me to do the job for them. It was more like a friendly favor to the people, no earning the money. So, but it was next step to getting more experience, to have more experience with more stuff that was on the market. Next step in my journey was moving to Norway in 2009, and I found there a job as a bicycle assembler and one of the biggest shops in Bergen. I worked as a bicycle assembler and afterwards as a bicycle mechanic at Trek bicycle shop in Bergen. I started as an assembler, but after one season they decided my knowledge is way too big to just do only this, and they offered me full-time job as a bicycle mechanic. I spent there 7 years working for them, learning more new things as well. My specialty were time trial bikes from Trek, Di2 systems, and servicing suspension, forks, dampers, and all those things that are related to mountain bikes. In 2017, it was my next big move, and I came to UK. And at this time, I was pretty sure that being a mechanic is something that I would like to do and continue to do. And 2 years later, in 2019, I decided that I will try to work as a mechanic. At the beginning was more or less, again, doing a favor to some people from here. So they learned that I'm pretty good, and I got a new experience with a new environment and new people and their habits, the things that they like and they don't like. And it was the best way to be confident enough that 2020 I could maybe open my small one-person business, a bicycle workshop, and just take my life in my hands and do more, being independent. After 23 years with bikes, with wrenching, with doing all the things, I think my experience is big enough to perform every type of service on your bike, from simple tube change to full service, chewing the wheels, replacing all the bits that are worn, servicing the forks, bleeding the brakes. So all the things that are now standard jobs on the bikes I can do. And definitely what's important for me, I do what I like. And that makes me even feel better. And I really like when my customers are happy. And I think it's one of the most important things in this case, that their satisfaction is a part of my feeling that gives me confidence that what I do is the right thing.